In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to set up and send new bill pays within the Business Bill Pay tool. After logging into your online banking account, select the Additional Services tab at the top menu and scroll down to click Bill Pay. To get started, click the link at the top of the page that says Pay Someone New. It'll open a window with pre-existing links of popular billers, or you can enter a name of a person or a business that you'd like to add. In this case, we're going to pick American Express because we want to make a payment for an American Express credit card. This next window is where you'll enter the billing information. You can change the nickname if you like or keep it as it is. Then enter your account number, which is the number that's listed on your bill or your statement. You have the option to hide it if you don't want it visible, and you can also select the option to change the category. In this case, since it's a credit card bill, we're going to keep it at credit card. When you're ready, click Confirm. It's going to ask you for a little more information, basically the address of the bill that you're paying. This is the address provided on your statement or bill. Enter the street number, the zip code, the city, and the state. Review all the information to make sure it's accurate, and when you're ready, click Confirm. You'll get confirmation that the new person or business was successfully added. Right within this window, you can make additional settings, like setting up autopay. You could add a reminder to keep you aware when payments are coming due. You can add another biller, or go ahead and pay this biller. We'll initiate our first payment for this bill. Back in the main Bill Pay tool, we can now see the new biller has been added right at the top. To make a payment, enter the amount you want to pay in the text box. Next, select the day you want the payment to be posted. One thing to keep in mind when scheduling is that the default pay date is set 3 business days out. This is because of the way the standard payment is processed. If you're all set with the payment being made 3 days out or more, just select the date that you want the payment delivered by on the calendar. If you need to make a payment sooner than the 3 business days, click the Pay It Faster link to open the expedited payment window and enter the amount you want to pay. Select which account the payment will come from and if you want it to be sent overnight. Keep in mind this does cost a $25 convenience fee. To continue, review the address, city, and zip code. If everything looks good, click Confirm. In this example, we're not going to do that, so we'll just click Cancel. Note that even though we entered our amount and the delivery date, this bill hasn't been paid yet. If it's good to go and everything looks all right, click Confirm All Payments, and any payments with amounts and delivery dates queued here will be submitted. In this next step, we're going to show you how to add a custom person or business and how to confirm and send a payment. We'll start by creating a new custom bill pay. Start by clicking Pay Someone New to open the window. Instead of clicking one of the existing links like the last example, we're going to add a person or business in the field on the right. You'd use this feature if you're paying a utility bill, mortgage, or any other type of bill that's not already included in the pre-existing links. In this case, we're going to add the city of Nashua. The fields are almost identical to the prior example. You can change the nickname, add the account number as it appears on your statement or your bill, put in the address of the business or the person that you're paying, and the optional phone number. You can also add this to one of your existing categories. In this case, we'll select Household. I'll demonstrate how to customize and make new categories later in the tutorial. If everything looks good, click Confirm, and you'll see the new window that this person or business has been successfully added to your bill pay. Now we're going to initiate a payment to this biller. Enter the amount you want to pay and select the delivery date. In this case, we don't need it paid until the end of the month. Even though this is the only bill we're paying, click Confirm All Payments. Next, you'll see a preview of who you're paying, the payment amount, the delivery date, and the type of payment. If you're paying multiple bills at a time, you'll see them all listed here. When you're ready, click Confirm. Next, you'll see this confirmation that you've successfully scheduled the payment. When you're done, click Close. Back on the main page, you'll notice all the payment fields for each biller are now empty. But over here, under the Activity tab, you can see the pending payment to the City of Nashua scheduled to be delivered on 12/31. There are a lot of other cool features to use within the Bill Pay tool. You can view all scheduled payments in the Activity panel. It'll show who they're being paid to, the payment amounts, the delivery dates, and at the bottom, it'll even show you a total scheduled bill pay amount. Under the History tab, you can review any past payments and payment information. Select the time range from 30 days to 12 months to view all payments made within that set time window. You can create a spending report. Click this link to open the reports window to review all the successful payments completed for the current month, or change the setting for your own custom timeframe. You can modify the current report, create a new one, and even download it if you'd like. To create a custom report, simply title it, select the time frame, the accounts you want to report on, which billers to report on, and so forth. We're not going to initiate a report at this time, so we're going to close out of the window. If you go over to the More tab, you'll notice additional features within this tool. There's the Reports field that we just went over. You can view a balance worksheet. This will help you forecast your balances and does not affect your payments. You can set and manage your alert preferences to edit how you want to receive your alerts. Click to toggle each of these on and off depending on your bill pay settings. You could choose to get an alert when a biller's been added, if your biller's been edited, and if your payment was successful. Note that some of these are grayed out and cannot be changed. The next feature is to add or modify your categories. These are those categories that we saw when we set up a new bill pay. Here you can edit an existing category or create a new one. You can also set or change your default funding account to set where you want the payments to come from. In this example, we only have one, but if you had others, they would show up here. To access customer support, click this link to send an email or call the phone number for help. But we recommend that you instead use this Live Agent tool down at the bottom of your screen. This will get you right in contact with a rep at our contact center for quick and fast service support. And this last link is for additional help. You're welcome to click on any of these topics for step-by-step directions on how to use the various tools within the platform. So what happens if you need to cancel or make changes to a scheduled payment? Say you initiated a bill, then realized you didn't need to make it after all, or maybe you need to change the payment amount. Go to the Activity tab and click on the Scheduled Payment. It's going to bring up your payment details page. Here you have the option to cancel or modify it. You can change the payment amount, the scheduled payment date, and category. To save changes, click Modify. If you want to cancel the payment, select Cancel Payment. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to cancel, and if you are sure, hit the Cancel Payment again. You'll then get a confirmation the payment was canceled and it'll be removed from your Activities tab. This concludes the Business Bill Pay tutorial. We hope you enjoy using our Business Bill Pay feature within online banking for faster, convenient digital bill payments. Thanks for tuning in.